Hey, what's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Bread Beats here. What's going on, guys? It's your boy, Bread Beats here. Huh?
Oh my god, what? So your life is crazy. How is life similar to a How is life similar to a sandwich? Last time you Wait, no bread? I'm the bread gone. Just bread. No matter which way you flip it, the bread comes.
That's facts right there. Oh my god, for real.
So today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a tight beat and get that bread, baby. Let's go! I hate myself. First thing you're gonna need is your core kit. It has the essentials for you to start your beat, like hats, claps, snares, and kicks. Then you put all these together in a pretty pattern and you have an initial loop. It's so easy, it's so simple. Why are you complicating the issue? Why are you making it so difficult for yourself?
Step 1. Type.
Now you have to ask yourself, what kinds of beats make the most bread? So look at the top charts, realize that these types are saturated with beats, find smaller artists that are still pretty good but not too competitive, analyze the beat. Maybe that's not your vibe. Look for another one. No, not feeling it. Maybe another type. Nah. Look at yourself in the mirror, bro. What type of beat are you? What type of beat?
Oh my god, I got an email. You got should go on Reddit right now. This person is great. Oh my god, this person's really good. This person notification.
Oh yeah. No matter which way you flip it, the bread comes first.
Step 2. Beat.
Next, you're gonna need, you guessed it, an 808. Because no matter what type of beat you are, it probably has an 808. And I'm sure there's a bread metaphor somewhere in there.
So even though you don't know what type of beat it is yet, you technically have a beat. So quick, let's move on before you get derailed by another notification.
Oh, I wonder what's going on here. Maybe I should do this
Oh yeah, the bread comes first. So you have a main loop. Let's call it the A section. Duplicate the heck out of it. Remove the bass on certain parts, and you have yourself the structure of a song. But you still need some characteristic samples in order to give the beat life. However, that still requires you to know what type of beat you're making, bro.
Step 1. Type. But like, for real. Because you're hungry.
So what type of beat are you making, bro? What type of beat are you? How do you even type beat? All right, you're getting off track, bro. What kind of beat are you making? No. Snap out of it, bro. What are you afraid of? Just pick a type and just do it, bro. Remember, the bread comes first. Bro, you're like at 2 ticks of hunger. Just make a Drake type beat and get it over with. Huh? Wait, bro. That's it. You're a self-diagnosed ADHD type beat. Let's go! Oh my god, like remember that time when you were scrolling and you found that cool Minecraft sound? That could be like a cool lead because it was spooky, but it was like cool, but it was high. You can make it on Serum. It could be like a cool lead. And then remember that other time that you were scrolling and you found that Tom and Jerry sound effect? That sounds like a cool laugh. It could be like a cool hook. I've never heard it up and put it into the beat. It could sound like a cool hook. It could be interesting. It's good. And finally add all these notification sounds you've been getting throughout the video into the mix, and you've got yourself a self-diagnosed ADHD type beat. Wow.
Okay, so now you want to get the bread, right? Go to BeatStars.com, which also happens to be the #1 marketplace for buying and selling beats, by the way. Make an account. I'll leave a link in the description. Don't even worry about it. You see, BeatStars is free to use for beginners. However, you can get a free 1-month premium subscription to open your own virtual music store with my code IMAGINARY. But then upload your beat, fill out the meta tags. Oh, also you can use BeatStars as your music distribution platform. So you can upload it to Spotify and Apple Music and stuff. Like you can literally start here for everything. It's kind of nuts. Where were we? Oh yeah, add a cover image to your track. Name your price. What's the market price for bread again? Oh yeah. See, BeatStars is where a couple of top charting songs originated. You ever heard of this little song called Old Town Road? That's right, it started here. So if you're gonna get that bread anywhere, you can go to BeatStars.com to get started on BeatStars. I'll leave a link and promo code down in the description for that free 1-month premium subscription. Great. Now just publish the beat and wait for the bread to roll in, baby. Let's go.
No matter which way you flip it, right?